Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best neck hammocks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the binROC Neck Relief Hammock. Yet another hammock that comes with a stand at a low price from binROC. It's easy to assemble, use, and disassemble. Use it for 10 to 15 minutes each day to do away with neck, shoulder, and spine aches. What's more, it decompresses muscles in the spine to give way to better blood flow while increasing mobility and flexibility. You're guaranteed safer support and comfort with springs on both sides of the hammock. The pure cotton cushioning adds to its comfort and skin friendliness. Men and women can all use the one-size-fits-all device after a long day of office work, sitting, bending, standing, and other activities. Moving on at number 4, we have the Neck Hammock. Here's a patented cervical traction assistant created by doctors and physical therapists. Use the original neck hammock to improve your posture and sleep while enhancing blood circulation in the muscles around your spine. It drives away migraines, neck pain, shoulder discomfort, and tension headaches. What a load of boons to harvest from the compact device. Whether you're on a journey, camping, in the office, or anywhere in the outdoors, nothing hinders you from using this godsend piece from a quality-approved manufacturer. It quickly installs on door jambs, knobs, railings, poles, and other strong stands. A 10 minutes use each day will save you from multiple troubles on your upper body. At number 3, we have the Head Relief Hammock for neck-shoulder pain. If you don't like to waste your money and time by going to a physiotherapy center to relieve your neck pain, then you must look for the best neck hammocks to reduce your pain. The Head Relief Hammock for neck-shoulder pain is one of the finest devices in this category. After finishing your work, you can use this device to get relief from your neck pain. The device gently stretches your neck muscle, increases the blood circulation and gradually relieves you from the pain. It uses superior quality material to ensure the highest level of comfort. It is made with 100% cotton and built with a heavy-duty cable to make sure of your safety. You'll get a strong and defendable hammock stand with the device that perfectly copes with everyone. You can use this device indoors, outdoors, wherever you want. The device is super adjustable, portable, and you can easily assemble and disassemble it. At number 2, we have the Neck Head Hammock, neck pain relief, and stretching portable. To get rid of neck pain, if you're looking for the perfect neck hammock, then the Neck Head Hammock is an appropriate choice. It provides a gentle stretch on your neck muscles to improve the mobility and flexibility of your muscles in a natural and pain-free manner. It is also effective for developing your lumbar and spinal posture and keeping yourself free from muscle strain. The device actually works by pulling your head away from your neck to provide a gentle stretch and decompress your spinal cord. Due to its lightweight and portability, you can easily carry it wherever you want. Installing this device is very easy and simple. The pads are adjustable and removable, you can easily set them as your comfort. To get the ultimate benefit from this neck hammock, you need to use it 15 minutes at least daily. The regular use of this device relieves your neck and shoulder pain and keeps your muscle strain free. And finally at number 1, we have the Amemewa Neck Pain Relief and Head Relaxation Neck Stretcher. Fighting with your neck pain and looking for a portable cervical traction device to get relief from the pain? Then the Neck Head Hammock device is one of the best ones to relieve your pain. It is one of the superior and effective cervical neck devices in this category. The device improves your blood circulation that decompresses your spinal cord and enhances the mobility of your cervical and shoulders. It not only relieves your neck pain but also from muscle pain, shoulder tension, and headaches. The device comes with 4 sturdy elastic cords and a reinforced safety band. For your comfort, the device is built with high-quality material and super stitching. By using the adjustable strap, reset the height easily, even when you're lying down. It takes less than 1 minute to successfully install and start your workout. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.